as he is in the light, we have fellowship with one another, and the blood of Jesus, his Son, cleanses us from all sin.
Yeah, guys.
It was a video, guys.
What is the name of this hike?
The name of this hike right here, it is
I really needed that, thank you.
Dawn Mine and Sunset Trail Loop.
There you go.
Right here in Altadena.
All right, so let's get on this hike.
We're just south of Pasadena, folks.
Oh, south of Pasadena. Tell us more. Where else are we?
It's been 100
like longitude, latitude.
Do you know what longitude, latitude, longitude? Do you know what longitude, latitude means?
Yours are the better.
All right, this is our group. Say hi, everybody.
Shalom.
You know what?
Hi. Name, address, and social security number, please.
Social security number.
All right, so we're on the trail now.
What
we're
up?
waiting for our buddy Hector.
What's up, brother?
What's up? How you doing?
No idea what it's called.
How you enjoying the 5 seconds of the hike?
Oh, I'm out of breath already.
Oh my gosh.
Not even.
No, it's pretty crazy. So you guys know too, when you go to this hike, you can either park at the very bottom and walk all the way up, like some of our friends were about to do.
An hour away.
But we picked him up though, yeah. Or you can try to see if there might be parking at the top first. But just a tip for you. As you can see, that's the road leading up to this trail. All right, here he is.
Stop teasing me.
We're proud of you, man. You made it.
Thank you, thank you.
High five. No more, no more. Hey guys.
Hello.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is actually a video, so.
Hurry up.
It's video. I don't do pictures. All right, fine. Here's some pictures.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a ride for the squad, ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night, realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass the vibe, doing 80 to the house, then I hit it to the sky, change haters on the
Round 1, fight.
We all want the same. We all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grip, but it don't make sense. Turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades. I love the chase. I just wanna eat.
Here it is. Sing it.
Waterproof shoes.
And shoes are still dry. Woo.
Mine or not.
You got your shoes wet?
I did, but it was worth it.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, I'm gonna have to shower later.
Let's hope so. Sing it.
Waterproof shoes.
You got your shoes wet?
I did.
Waterproof shoes.
Words to the soul like a sweet honeycomb and brings healing to the bone.
There we go. It's a great trail.
Weakness, you are strong, you fulfill my emptiness. When I fail, your grace is always there for me. When I fail, your mercy is surrounding me. Fill our hearts with joy.
Let's cast lots.
Yeah?
There's gold in them there hills.
So what about this mine? Is it closed?
It's closed.
Oh, that bar that Paul had, yeah.
Thoughts?
Bummer.
We're gonna break it.
We're gonna break it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna break it personally?
We're not gonna break it.
With your hands. I like how he's the honest one.
It's gonna open up automatically.
Yeah, cut to inside mine.
Now, as you can see, this mine is 100% genuine. I mean, like, it's totally real, totally not Minecraft. Just kidding. We actually didn't even go in the mine, and one of our friends was extremely disappointed about that.
No luck so far. It's disappointing, but you just push through, so you can't worry about it. So that's all I gotta say.
So it's full of water.
Full of water. You'd have to swim all the way back.
However, we did learn some history.
Can you tell us the details about this right here, from a historical point of view?
It's very old.
All right,
And a few of us were able to show off our skills.
My mom, if she saw this, I would be grounded for sure.
Reminder, send this video to Priscilla's mom.
Haha, sucker!
Good job, good job. You tried. All right, high five. Yay.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah.
Nonchalant, like what? Dang it, Paul, stop being you. I can't help it. I'm a dangerous man. Oh, and one last thing. We all told Eric there's a Napoyo logo on this trail.
We haven't found it yet. Kind of losing hope, feel like giving up, but we'll keep going.
Never give
It's
up.
found it here somewhere.
What up? What up? What up?
Haha,